at Shakey's. But when you talk about Adamson, Kayla, I mean, the preseason that they've had, especially with some of the players stepping up, they have...
Dote. So a lot of these young guns also stepping up on the side of the Lady Falcons.
Nice block from Adamson, 2-0.
Quick attack, and now Dote with a block.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar.
Good pass from Mordi.
Ooh. Mordi, look at her elevation. That time around, face a guy side, trying to go for the 1-2. Celine Marsh powering through the block.
Celine Marsh, the match at a few minutes ago.
Targado yung serve doon ni Segi. But nagawa ng paraan ng NU.
Good adjustment coming from Celine Marsh. Great setup and chase as well by Lamina.
Titles. But they've done most of that with Bella Belen and Alyssa Solomon in the fold. So it's a new era.
Here in the first set.
Narinig kaya ata doon. But yeah, you're right. That's a good observation. So far, they've been going to their open spikers and for good reason.
Angle by Vanch Alinsugan. What a setup as well by Lamina. That's a tough angle for any spiker targeting zone.
First ball nila the past couple of sequences. And he wants more of these quick, fast plays from Adamson. And Yudito. Celine Marsh. And unwrapping an early Christmas present was...
Of course, you need those points to increase your score. But Celine Marsh right away with...
That's something you like to see coming off a timeout.
No blockers as well. And sa guys...
To Salazar. Napayungan doon ni Dote. They go to the other side from the left pin. Celine Marsh gets that one in.
Zone 4, finding that spot, that empty spot on the defense of Adams.
Alinsog cross court. Juvis Manuel with a pickup from the pipe. Mordi. Susubok ulit si Vanch. Alinsog cross court. Lista mo na.
That's the perfect.
Nice.
Good setup there by Hardio. Good ball control as well.
In motion.
Making setting look so easy, but a service ace from...
More underrated servers we have in the game. This serve the game is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era. Tatawid na lang. Free ball for the Lady Falcons. Oh, nice setup. You see how they deceive.
So far, 2 attempts and both resulting in 2 points to Dow. Coming in as a decoy here.
Alinsog with a powerful serve. Picked up there by Manuel. Frances Mordi towering over the blockers.
By Lamina, or Salazar rather, and Mata.
Ooh. The hang time. NU has not yet dropped a set here during the preseason. Celine Marsh. Oh man, there is no stop. Really observe how much confident, much bolder she is. I mean, look at that.
To finish that one off, great setup and great decoy also by Maaya losing one of the blockers.
Nagbanggaan pa sila doon ni Evangeline Sog. Pagkakataon for Adamson na makatabla, and they do!
What a hit by Frances Mordi from the pipe again. Breaking down those
board. For the majority of the first set, they have a chance to steal this one. Celine Marsh off the block. It will go for NU. Lamina going to Vanch. Why not?
And that finish. Great setup as well by Lamina.
Sagaysay. Tubarera will guide it over and throw.
Smartly.
Frances Mordi cross court. Nice pickup by Hardio. Alinsog. Nandun din si Manuel.
Rally so far.
Tapik. Wala ng coverage this time for Adamson.
I believe 2 days ago we've had a race to 33.
Grabe.
With Benilde and Ateneo.
Oh, sent back to the friend zone. By
her presence felt at the net.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. T29, Adamson. Oh! An ace! To punctuate the first set!
By Abby Segi.
And this is the first time that NU has dropped a set this season. And they grinded. Myrtle Escalar detonating there from the left.
Escalar on that last play.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Down bumagsak si Sapienza. She picks herself up. Oh my! Del Moral by Sam Cantada. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
But we saw that Sapienza unable to...
Tapla na naman. 5-all. Abe Pono. Pinuntahan si Cantada. Bumalik na naman!
Something I've noticed here on the side of Adamson really. But before that, Cantada.
Certainly talent level individually off the charts. But we have to remember, they have a different coach. And Adamson, to their credit as well, has taken advantage as yung blocking sila.
This match, a lot of their points contributed from the middle.
Nagpakawala si
Is enough for Myrtle Escalar.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Round in the UAP. Pick things up in round number 2. Had some quality wins. Speaking from K. Bombita from the right pin.
Bombita with a wind-up in the heavy hands. Puts that one away for...
Lapang lumalayo so far in this match. Del Moral approaching at the... Abe Pono. Oh, nice serve right in between Aseo for the Lady Bulldogs. And a gift unwrapped again. Early Christmas. Again, Mordi. I mean, you have to credit. Cantada will pick it up. Bachalin Sog was sent back. Marsh will try. Bumalik ulit. Nicely done on that.
Coming from Barrera and Del Moral. Nakabantay sila kay Celine Marsh.
Barrera has been relied upon and now she was able to save that one. But a free ball for NU. Vange Alinsog elevates and detonates.
Take a look at this replay. A great setup by Abby Pono and Alinsog knowing exactly.
Defending champions. Barrera sa gitna. Napayungan doon ni Bahamonde. From the pipe, Mordi. Nice pickup by IC Cepada. Alinsog. Mordi saves it. Barrera from the left pin. Marsh with a dive. Free ball for Adamson. Sagaysay. Segi with a tough angle. Bump set by Cepada. Another chance ball for Adamson. Mordi was blocked, and that is it.
These two squads, again, Mordi with a pipe attack, but a great read coming from Bahamon.
A 5-point lead, but showing the heart of a champion.
Score close, 5 blocks to 1 from NU only.
This set brought to you by Shakey's from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling.
Air, quite a difficult adjustment.
Adam
Receive by Sam Cantada, showing her aggressive.
Oh, an ace! Jump serve from Segi. Nice pass. You see how a nice pass from the libero could do. Trying to be a complete player in person here for Adamson.
Well, Frances Mordi proving how great of a player she is.
For NU. Sagaysay shoots it up to Lana Barrera. Alinsog from the left pin. Automatic.
So right above them, giving them no chance to touch that ball.
The spike is brought to you by Potato Corner. Barrera gets it across. NU with a chance. Barrera. Oh, what a save there from Manuel. It's in!
Smart play coming from...
Combination play! Evangeline Song explodes!
Wow, just you Mata coming in as a decoy and tricking those blockers, but Alinsug caught them by surprise.
Jump serve. Oh! An ace!
Good target by...
Yeah. Tulis nung serve na yun.
You really have to be in position.
Oh, Sagaysay tried to trick the defense of NU that time. Now, she gets it to Lana Barrera. Barrera pounds it in!
Better outcome here for...
It's a tough angle. But Alinsug was able to get it across. And that time around...
Opposite position, coming from a bump set. And going cross-court, targeting Celine Marsh.
Na ginagawa. Pero might as well try it out at a high-pressure situation like this one. As Lana Barrera, 18-year-old wonder Lana Barrera. Celine Marsh. Sagaysay was there. Frances Mordi drilling that one in. Let's see how her girls will respond. Sagaysay. Frances Mordi with a drop. And Adamson opening up.
Natura were to play in today's match, or if she played today, what the outcome will be.
Yeah. Tudao on. Nice pass from Barrera. Frances Mordi hammers it home.
What a play. That's so well, and losing the blockers on the side of NU for Frances Mordi.
NU. Cantada is blocked.
Take a look at this last rally. That was Kim Rocha actually with a block.
It's a with a serve. Rocha with a block. Chi Cordero. Oh my goodness! Tudao Nation.
What a pass and the finish there by Tudao. So aggressive that their floor defense and their receive is okay. Very good naman daw, sabi ni Coach Reg in today's match. And in my opinion, time, it's Adamson who is able to finish.
Tote sa gitna. It's good.
Yeah.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download. Lamina sets up Celine Marsh. Wala nang nagawa doon si Abby Segi. Celine Marsh from the left pin. From the pipe, Frances Mordi had 17 total in those matches in the first round. So you could definitely feel... Yan yung kumpiyansa, no? Kitang-kita ngayon for Celine Marsh. She gets the block. And then...
Defense on the net.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. 6 is our score. 4-point lead for NU. Evangeline Sog picked up there by Sagaysay. Barrera breaks through the wall and scores.
Back.
9 serving 14. Lamina sa gitna. Alexa Mata with emphasis.
Perfect set for Alexa Mata.
This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. Reverse set. Lana Barrera. Now it's Sagaysay. Out of system play, but Frances Mordi finding a way.
Pass.
Another good pass. Another well-executed play for National Youth. 10 points. Lamina. Pinuntahan si Celine Marsh. And she scores.
Celine Marsh again, the fourth set.
Biggest lead of the match. Frances Mordi drills that one.
Mordi, great way to side out.
How about Frances Mordi, Kayla? 22 massive game. Oh, nice block. Barrera sent back to the friend zone by Chamaya. Kay Bombita from the right pin, picked up by Segi. Barrera susubok, supalpal, inabot kay Chambaya. Bombita, down the line it goes.
It was a quick set and a quick finish. Avoiding that well for the side of NU. Blocking, serving, attacking, but Tudao with a response. An exclamation point to end that rally.
Yeah. Sa gitna, Alexa Mata, nakapuntos. 21, NU tying things up the finals. You were saying?
But I wanted to mention how Adams not really one of the top teams that finish, but this time they seem like a great contender to me.
Coach JP Yude explained that the most important reminder he has for his girls was to anchor themselves to their purpose and to always
For Adamson, as they're showing a lot of fight here despite not having Shaina Nitura but Celine for National University. Barrera. Susubok mulit si Lana and she gets that one. Smart play from Barrera. Back in the 2023 Shakey's Super League National Invitationals.
Felt
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Those interesting matches coming up between Benilde and San Beda. And to cap things off, UST versus FEU. Sagaysay, pinuntaan si Frances Mordi. Hardio with a pickup. Alinsog, the counter. Sagaysay, unable to get it up.
ball.
Evangeline Sog has 14 points. Tudao also piling up the production here. Segi is denied!
Monster block by Martian.
Set the record for most points in that 5-set match against Adamson. But that is all for naught.